In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cyberghost VPN on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Whether you're looking to secure your connection, access region-restricted content, or simply enjoy some privacy while browsing, Cyberghost VPN is a fantastic choice. I'll walk you through the entire process, making it as easy and straightforward as possible. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to start by visiting the official Cyberghost VPN website. Open a browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to cyberghostvpn.com. Cyberghost is known for its fast and secure service, which makes them a popular choice for those looking to enhance their online privacy. Once you're on the website, you'll need to locate the My Account section. You'll typically find this option on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on My Account. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Don't worry if you haven't set up an account yet, you can easily sign up on their website. After you've logged in, the next step is to head back to the Cyberghost homepage. You should easily be able to spot a button or link that takes you back there. It's like returning to the main menu where you'll find different options including downloads and other account information. Next, locate and navigate to the Download Hub. This section is crucial as it contains all the apps available for download across various devices. Here, it's essential to find the TV apps category. This is where we specifically look for applications suitable for TVs or similar devices, like your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Once you've entered the TV apps, look for the option specific to Amazon Fire TV. This is what we'll use for our installation on either a Fire Stick or Fire TV device. Clicking on Amazon Fire TV will direct you to the relevant page where you can begin the download process. Finally, once you're on this page, simply click on Connect. This will initiate the download and installation process onto your device. It's pretty much like installing any other app on a Fire Stick. However, just to be sure, it's good practice to go through any prompts or additional settings that might come up during installation to ensure the app installs correctly and functions as expected. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully installed Cyberghost VPN on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. I hope this guide was helpful and that your newly installed VPN provides the security and access you're looking for. Remember, consistent use of a VPN can significantly enhance your online privacy and freedom. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials and guides.